I'll show you how to add these tiny jingle bells once you've sewn your Christmas tree drawstring gift bags using my pattern. It just adds a bit more holiday magic. The gift bags are reusable and come in 3 different sizes. There's also a separate pattern to fit wine bottles and larger gifts. Pull out some thread about 2 arms length long, fold in half and pass the fold through the needle. Pull until you have 4 even strands and cut. There's no need to tie a knot at the bottom. About 1 inch back from the point, thread your needle into the fabric and have it come out right at the point. Pull the needle slowly until the ends of the thread just disappear inside the fabric. Pass the needle through the point right beside the end of the thread. Pull, forming a loop, pass the needle through the loop and gently pull tight. Pass the needle right under that stitch and pull tight again. This secures the thread onto the point without a knot showing. On the back of the bell, thread the needle up through the loop. Thread the needle beside the stitching at the point and up through the loop again. Pull tight and stitch through the point once more. To finish, stitch through the point again, forming a loop. Pass the needle through the loop to form a knot. Insert the needle right beside the knot and out further down the fabric. Pull tight until the knot almost disappears and trim. Repeat on all the branches. Find the link for this pattern down in the comments and in the description, and be sure to check out some of my other videos.